This is Huddersfield, West Yorkshire, 1962. Seen from above, it looks almost timeless. The great stone viaduct cutting across the valley, the mills climbing the hillside, the moors stretching out behind. A town that grew from wool and never forgot it. Down in the town's centre, the morning is in full swing. The cars are Morris Minors and Ford Anglias. The men wear overcoats and carry briefcases. Nobody is in a hurry. Nobody is looking at a phone. This is a working town, and it works to a rhythm, one that hasn't changed much in a generation. Because at the heart of Huddersfield, there are the mills. This is what the town is built on: wool, worsted, fine cloth. The women here work the looms with the kind of focused ease that comes from years of practice. The noise in these sheds was extraordinary, loud enough to damage hearing over time, though nobody talked much about that in 1962. Huddersfield cloth was considered some of the finest in the world, and the world knew it. Look at these bales, stamped and bound, ready to ship. Huddersfield-made cloth, heading to Reykjavik, Iceland, thousands of miles away. This was the reality of industrial northern England at its peak, not just supplying Britain, but supplying the world. Every town like this had its export routes, its foreign buyers, its name on goods arriving at docks from Scandinavia to South America. But Huddersfield was never just industry. Step 5 minutes out of the town centre, and you're in this. The Pennine Hills, streams running off the moors, open countryside that feels utterly untouched. This is what defined the character of these West Yorkshire towns. The mills and the moors, side by side. Hard work and open air, within walking distance of each other. Mid-morning, a cafe somewhere near the town centre. This man has probably been working since 6. He'll be back at it by past. For now, there's a cup of tea and a moment's quiet. The small, ordinary pleasures that no archive footage can quite capture the feel of, but gets close. The high street on a weekday morning. The shop fronts are ornate, Victorian and Edwardian buildings that would have felt entirely normal to these shoppers, but which would be demolished or gutted within the decade. The woman with the pram, the women in their coats, the particular unhurried quality of a town centre before the car became king, and the out-of-town retail park arrived to hollow everything out. The first sign that the 1960s are beginning to make themselves felt, even here in Huddersfield. Change is coming, but it hasn't arrived yet. These new office blocks, concrete and glass, stripped of ornament, are going up all over town. They represent progress, in the language of the time. Modern, functional, forward-looking. Within 20 years, many of them would be considered eyesores. But in 1962, this is what the future looked like. Two eras coexisting on the same street. Those overhead wires belong to Huddersfield's trolleybus network, one of the last in Britain. They'd be gone by 1968. Leisure too was different. Public tennis courts in the park, a few minutes' walk from the mills. Out on the course above the town, a golfer takes his shot. Behind him, the suburbs of Huddersfield spread across the hillside. And on a winter evening, this, a massed choir in the town hall, hundreds of voices under one of the great Victorian pipe organs. Huddersfield had, and still has, one of the finest choral traditions in England. The Huddersfield Choral Society was founded in 1836. By 1962, it had been singing for over a century. This is a town that built mills and concert halls in equal measure. That worked hard and sang together. That sent cloth to Reykjavik and filled its town hall on a Friday night.